Hi, let us see some more methods which are available on strings. Let us begin with the R index. We have already seen how the index method works on the strings. So now we are looking on R index. This R index method returns the highest index of the substring inside the string if the substring is found. Otherwise, it raises an value error. So it takes three parameters. One is the substring, the second one is the start, means the starting position of the index where the substring has to be searched. Next, the end. So here the substring is the substring which needs to be searched in the given string. Start is the starting position where substring is needs to be checked within the string, and end is the end position where the substring needs to be checked within this end position. Let us see with the string 21. This is Python tutorial and is best. Let us apply R index on the substring is. So here we can see this R index returns the highest index for the substring is. Here it is 28, means here we have two substrings is, but it gives the index for the one which appears or which has the highest index position. So here it is the is substring which is at the index 28. If we do not mention the start and end positions, then by default the R index method takes 0 and length minus 1 as starting and ending indexes, where the ending index is not included in our search. Let us see how it works with the start and end index positions. So here I would like to use the ending index as 20 because the second substring is appears at the position 28. So I would like to use the ending index position as 20 so that it can search the is substring and can give the highest index. So exactly it is 5 because we are ending the search at position 20. So it gives the highest index for the substring is, which is the only substring is which appears between 0 and 20th position. So and is available at the index position 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Let us see for the substring t without any starting and ending index positions and how it works. So we got the highest index position for t is 34. This is the highest index position where t appears. If we use the starting index position as, for example, 5, for example 15, and then the ending index position as 33. So the highest index t is now considered in the string tutorial, that is t, because at 33 position we have s. The character s is ending at the index position 33, not t. So the highest index for this small t is at index position 17. This t is before the index position 15, so therefore it is not giving the highest index for this t which appears in Python word. Let us replace this small t with the capital T and see what happens. So look at here, it has resulted 15 because this t appears, small t appears at index position 17, 17, 16 and then 15. So this capital T appears at the index position 15. So substring is case sensitive, okay? It differentiates between the capital T and small t, means the uppercase letters and the lowercase letters for this substring. Suppose if we use the substring which is not available in the string, then it results an error. For example, here end instead of and. So we got an error, substring not found. So this is how the RIndex method works on string.